I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but today we are going to try to change the locks on our tag. We've got the keyless entry locks. The box says they're supposed to install in 10 minutes, so we've got to go in 10 minutes from this to this. So let's see how it works out.
Are we timing this for 10 minutes? I guess, yep, video's actually going, so.
Is that it? 10 minutes. Oh shit, it's stuck.
Can you take this off?
Oh, yep. Okay, my bad. We had directions and I didn't follow them. Good call on that. Because it did say to do that. Oh shit. I'm gonna keep all this in case somebody wants to put that back on. I still don't know. Like, this is not wanting to come off. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Is that like... That looks like it's... See? Right there? Like it's...
Give it a whack. What does that say on?
No, because... Hold on. This one. Because it has both sides, right? Yeah, no, that comes off. You see it?
Okay, just a little glued on there.
Yeah. So... You want to try to pull it?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe with that you can... Inch. Yeah, I feel like this is going to go badly. Whoa! Okay.
Okay, put a little...
It'll be covered.
Okay.
That was unexpected. So, okay.
Okay, the door was glued on, but effectively we got it taken off in 2 minutes, 30 seconds. So let's see how long it takes to put the new one on.
Okay, here, where's the wire? Give me that wire. That's got to go in. So, okay, got that. Oh, shit. Not easy to do. All right, I got it. Come on out and then come in. Okay, I got that.
I think these are too big.
I mean, this is the ones that everybody else said they used. Hold on. I knew it wasn't going to be as easy as it said, because that is always a lie.
Oh, you almost got it. It's there. There you go. It's in.
It's in?
I know what this was too.
I don't know. We're not going to worry about that right this second. Let me hook this back up. Okay. And then that.
All right, we're going to have to pause for a second because we need 4 hands for this.
I got to put the stripe. Does that look right?
Mm-hmm.
Never as easy as they say. Oh, you've been done in 10 minutes. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Now, the default code.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Wait, what?
It didn't unlock.
It said it did. What the hell? What?
1, 2, 3, 4 for that's like the generic code. It's not.
Okay, so far it's taken a lot longer than 10 minutes. And we got it on there, but it's not unlocking.
On the inside, there's a code reset button.
So I'm gonna work on that. Hold on. Okay, so our door wasn't unlocking fully because we had the door kind of opened a little bit. So we would lock it and then check to see if it was locked and then try to unlock it, and it was getting hung up. So we had to push the door closed fully to unlock. So it definitely wasn't a 10-minute install, but we're gonna give the new one a try now that we kind of know what we're doing, and maybe this will be a 10-minute install. Okay, so it was a little bit of a pain in the ass to get them installed, but all in all, not too bad, just a couple things. But let me show you guys the best part about it. We can do this. Keyless entry to your camper. So, I don't know. I'm gonna enjoy it.
One fob for both doors.
Yeah, and we have the we have 2 fobs. So the orange opens one door, and the black opens the other door. So we can get it in the camper whenever we want to now. It's pretty cool. Plus we have the keyless entry, so we're fancy.